Still worrying about forgetting your key? With the electronic Bluetooth Deadbolt, you can control the door no matter where you are. The smartphone is your key. Having total access control, you can decide for whom and when your door is opened. If your friend visits when you're at work, you just need to send them a one-time password remotely while staying in your office with no worries. Isn't it convenient? If your hands are full, the electronic Bluetooth Deadbolt can automatically unlock when you approach the door. Live a life more conveniently with the electronic Bluetooth Deadbolt.